What if I told you that most people watering their patio plants are essentially setting money on fire, wasting precious water, and creating more manual labor than necessary? It sounds harsh, but it's the truth. We're living in an era of incredible tech, yet so many of us still rely on a leaky garden hose or a massive electricity-hogging deep well pump when a tiny, sun-powered device could do the job better. The best solar-powered irrigation pumps have totally changed the game, offering perfectly hydrated plants, zero electricity bills, and the total freedom to go on vacation without coming home to a desert on your balcony. Today, we aren't just looking at little drippers. We've got a beast here that can lift water 230 feet in the air. This is a high-stakes showdown between convenience, raw power, and smart tech, and the differences between these models are much bigger than you think. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one fits your life, whether you have 2 pots or a small farm well. Ready to ditch the hose and harness the sun? Let's dive in, and remember, all the links to these deals are in the description below. Number 6. JIYANG Solar Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. Let's kick things off with the JIYANG Solar Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit, which is essentially your entry ticket into the automated, solar-powered world. Perfect for the balcony gardener or the person who is terrified of complicated plumbing. This isn't a deep well monster. It's a smart, faucet-free system designed to siphon water directly from a bucket to feed up to 10 pots. Its biggest selling point is pure off-grid autonomy, using a solar panel to charge a 2,200 mAh battery that keeps your plants happy for up to 20 days on a single charge. While it offers 6 user-friendly timing modes, this is where you see the gap between this and our top-ranked models. You can't fine-tune schedules by the minute, which might bug the truly obsessive plant parents. However, it includes a vital anti-siphoning device to prevent your reservoir from draining accidentally, and an intelligent alarm for low water, features usually reserved for much pricier units. Compared to the dual-zone systems we'll see later, this single pump setup means all 10 pots get the same amount of water, which is fine for beginners, but less precise for mixed gardens. It's an incredible value for money, set-and-forget solution that saves you from high utility costs and hose drudgery. Are you primarily a balcony gardener, or do you have a full garden bed to manage? Let me know your setup in the comments. Number 5. Eco-worthy Solar Submersible Pump Kit. Now, hold on to your hats, because we are making a massive leap from watering a few pots to the serious business of drawing water from the earth with the eco-worthy Solar Submersible Pump Kit. This is a completely different beast, a full-on, off-grid, deep well pump designed for agricultural use or livestock watering, capable of lifting water a staggering 230 feet. The kit is a fantastic entry-level package, giving you a 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel, a dedicated controller, and the 12-volt DC pump right out of the box. That vertical lift is its superpower, making it the clear winner over every drip kit on this list for genuine well access. It's incredibly cost-effective, but there is a catch. Its long-term reliability is a concern compared to the more refined drip systems. Many users find the housing can corrode over time, and the motor doesn't have the infinite lifespan of high-end brushless models. While it's perfect for a budget-conscious hobby farmer, its flow rate of 1.6 gallons per minute means it's better for filling tanks than running high-pressure sprinklers. Compared to the smart drip kits, you lose all the smart scheduling, but you gain the ability to move massive amounts of water from deep underground. Would you prioritize a lower upfront cost now, or would you rather pay more for a pump guaranteed to last a decade? Number 4. Beday Solar-Powered Dual Pump Drip Irrigation Kit. Moving up to the 4th spot, we have the Beday Solar-Powered Dual Pump Kit, which is a massive upgrade for the serious greenhouse owner who demands precision. The unique selling point here, and the feature that kills the JIYANG or DAOTAILI, is the dual pump system that allows you to create 2 completely independent watering zones. Think about it. You can water your thirsty tomatoes for 5 minutes every morning on Zone A, while your shade-loving ferns on Zone B only get a 1-minute mist every other day. This granular control is a total game changer for mixed plant environments, Another huge advantage is the hybrid charging. It has a solar panel for the outdoors, but also a USB-C port. So if you bring your plants inside for winter or hit a week of solid rain, your schedule never breaks. It even features an integrated rain sensor to pause watering automatically, preventing soggy roots and saving water. While the programming is a bit more fiddly than the simple buttons on the JIYANG, the level of intelligence here is miles ahead. If your garden has distinct zones with different hydration needs, the Beday's dual pump precision makes it a far superior choice to any single zone competitor. What do you think about having two separate zones? Is that a feature you've been looking for? Number 3. DAOTAILI Solar Drip Irrigation System. Landing at the third position is the DAOTAILI Solar Drip Irrigation System, which strikes a beautiful balance between simplicity and high-end features. This is a single pump, 10-pot system like the JIYANG, but it takes a giant step up in terms of intelligence by including a rain sensing function. This is an absolute must-have for water conservation. After all, why pump your limited reservoir water onto your plants if Mother Nature is already doing the job for free? This level of automatic pausing makes it much more efficient and plant-friendly than the budget models at the bottom of our list. It runs on a dependable 2,200 mAh battery and features an IP65 weather-resistant rating, making it tough enough for any courtyard or balcony. Where it edges out the JIYANG is in the customization, offering more settings for both duration and frequency. While you lose the dual-zone control found in the Beday, you gain a much simpler, more intuitive interface at a lower price point. Essentially, the DAOTAILI is the perfect middle ground choice. It's smarter than the entry-level kits, without the high cost of the Wi-Fi models. It's highly recommended for the average enthusiast who wants reliable scheduling and rain protection without a PhD in programming. If you're heading on holiday soon, would this rain sensing feature give you more peace of mind? Number 2. GrowBuddy Solar Drip Irrigation System. Taking the silver medal is the GrowBuddy Solar Drip Irrigation System, the undisputed champion for medium-sized gardens or growing collections. Its major advantage over the DAOTAILI is capacity, as it supports up to 15 pots right out of the box. But the real reason it's ranked so high is its exceptional power flexibility. It features a robust solar panel and a crucial USB-C backup port. This guarantees the unit stays powered regardless of the weather, which is a massive reliability boost over the solar-only JIYANG. If you use a grow tent or live in a cloudy climate, you can supplement the power without ever interrupting your watering schedule. The programmable timer is also much more advanced, offering 12 different scheduling modes for fine-tuning high-maintenance plants. While it doesn't have the Beday's dual zones or the DAOTAILI's rain sensor, its combination of scale, power redundancy, and scheduling depth makes it a heavy-duty workhorse. It's a superior investment for anyone with a large, consistent collection of herbs or microgreens who needs a pump that simply will not quit. Do you think having a USB backup is a deal breaker, or does pure solar autonomy matter more to you? I'd love to hear your take in the comments. Number 1. RAINPOINT Smart Automatic Watering System. Finally, the champion and the true future of irrigation, the RAINPOINT Smart Automatic Watering System. This pump takes everything we love about solar and injects it with true smart home technology, making it the only choice for the tech-savvy gardener. The defining feature here is the remote Wi-Fi and app control. Forget walking out to the patio to click buttons. You can set precise, minute-by-minute schedules, check your watering history, or manually trigger a soak from the airport, or even your bed. This remote management is miles ahead of any other pump on this list. Like the GrowBuddy, it handles 15 pots and has dual power solar and USB charging, but it adds a critical water level sensor. If your reservoir runs low, you get an immediate push notification on your phone, preventing the pump from running dry, a life-saving feature the others just don't have. While the setup requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal, the long-term benefit of monitoring your garden from literally anywhere in the world is unbeatable. For maximum convenience and the ultimate set-and-forget experience, the RAINPOINT is worth every single penny. It's a micro-irrigation system with the brain of a smart device. Which feature wins for you? The RAINPOINT's Wi-Fi control or the Beday's dual-zone scheduling? Conclusion. Which one wins for you? What an incredible journey through the world of solar-powered irrigation. From the simple JIYANG starter kit to the high-tech RAINPOINT powerhouse, there is truly a pump for every person. Just remember, if you need to pull water from a deep farm well, the eco-worthy is your go-to. But for container gardening, the competition is all about features. The RAINPOINT wins for total smart control. The GrowBuddy is the high-capacity workhorse, and the Beday is the king of customization with its dual zones. Investing in any of these means saving water, saving money, and saving your precious time. If this breakdown helped you pick your next garden gadget, smash that like button and tell me which one you're buying in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive review. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.